lost in the masquerade dust, trapped in my old house. The air is too thick to breathe, so desperately.
Day 2! We have a new member. So, because we made the cupcakes yesterday and we filmed making the cupcakes a little bit. And then August is here. Bella is ready with her beautiful outfit, which we'll have to vlog later when we can actually see it.
I think I need a persona. Oh no, this glasses. Should I be like mysterious?
You're already Barbara.
Barbara.
It's true.
Like exactly. We can put those glasses in the back. Valerie. Huh?
And Valerie's here, and then obviously Savannah's driving again because she's our chauffeur.
That's my lot.
But tonight we're going to Microwave and Ybor and Hey Mercedes and someone else. Pogo. But I only know Microwave.
Same.
So all of us. Bella doesn't even know any of them. She's just there to have a good time and to make my parents pay $20 for nothing. August likes Microwave too.
I do.
But I'll update you as we go. So
Bye.
bye.
Let it go, let it roll right off your shoulder, don't you know? The hardest part is over, let it in. Let your clarity define you in the end. We will only just remember.
Read a building. Then we can pull them right there, right there.
There's an entire wall of brick right in front of you.
So I just spotted the guy from Microwave.
That's him?
And he's wearing a Sorority Noise t-shirt. So I think we might have a potential fangirl.
It's us.
It's us.
Get it, Augie!
And we have August. Living her dreams. Living her dreams.
Oh, like Titanic.
So this is the venue. Just kidding. This is the venue parking lot. New World Brewery. Pretty great. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I ask you a couple questions?
As long as you're not going to post it anywhere.
No promises. So, what's this contraption?
Off
the record. What's this contraption on your head?
This is known as a soda hat, where you can drink soda from it, but it's also a hat. Now, many people believe you only use this for some soda drinking, but I think it stops aliens from interfering with your brain. Aliens.
Okay, what's your name, ma'am?
My name's Barbara, B-O-B-R-A, spelled like it sounds, Barbara.
Barbara. Thanks. Barbara.
Having some technical
difficulties. It's fine. Alright. So are you excited for tonight?
Not really.
Not really?
Not into all this emo music, but I'm just here to whip it, you know?
With it. That's
Maybe,
good.
maybe a little name.
So who are you most excited to see tonight? Apparently that car.
I believe it's a band that uses microwaves to like do something, I don't know. But we'll find out once we get it.
Is that why you're wearing your hat tonight?
Yes, it's protecting me from those microwaves.
Bro, we're looking forward to seeing, you know, you future events.
Use tinfoil, protect yourselves, okay?
Thank you.
Party people! Woo! All the windows down, woo-hoo! When I'm rolling through your town, woo-hoo! Saying yeah, yeah, woo-hoo! Saying yeah, yeah.
August.
Beard and the hair in the hat. Stop, doesn't have a beard. He doesn't wear hats. Okay, it looks like one of the guys is showing a picture. But I think everyone is scuffed.
Same. So in your professional opinion, how crazy is it going to get tonight?
Really crazy now. I'm a police officer, so I might have to push some people and calm them down. Like, look at this crowd.
I don't know, it's pretty wild.
It's intense.
I don't know
if we're gonna make it tonight, you know?
So
I might lose my life.
As a resident expert,
So stop interrupting the elders.
as a resident expert on the mosh pit, how would you say you're gonna handle this?
Well, I'm gonna mosh like my heart's desire, sweetheart. I got a little this. I got a little this.
That's
No
a lot.
one's gonna be expecting.
That's a lot, not really a little. Well, that's good. So thank you for letting us know. We'll be really excited to see how wild tonight is.
Yeah, pretty wild.
Pretty wild.
Pretty wild.
But we have an officer, so we should be fine.
I got this handle, sweetheart. Got a handle.
Thank you, Barbara.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time.
Am I getting paid for this?
So what's going on right now with you?
My hands are uneven, so my hat keeps tipping over. But
That hair.
seem even.
It's like a scientific procedure right now.
I don't know which one has more.
I mean, are you friends with Bill Nye? Barbara, Bill Nye.
I know lots of people.
I'm busy. That was very good, Barbara.
What I want, you've got, and it might be hard to handle. But like a flame that burns a candle, the candle feeds the flame. Yeah, what I got, full stop. Few more steps and you'd have made it to your bed. But sometimes a few more steps is hard. It's hard to do. Before you make your mess. It's really hard for it.
Alright, Val. Ready? Let's swag, buddy. So wait, I didn't try you.
Oh, true.
This one over here, Brian.
You didn't even see her.
Turn off the camera now, okay?